Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to create a VHS effect in Premiere Pro. Alright, first of all, we go here to my project panel, right mouse click, new item, adjustment layer, OK. Throw it on your track and make it as long as your video. Then we click on the adjustment layer and then we go right here on the screen and we go to faded film and we make this plus 50. And sharpen we do minus 50. Then we go to effects, search for channel blur and we add this to our adjustment layer. Then we change the red blurriness to 30 and we change the horizontal and vertical to horizontal. And now we do exactly the same to this adjustment layer, just add the channel blur to right here. But then right now we change the blue one to 30 and we change the horizontal and vertical to horizontal. And then right now we want to give our video that square look. So we go right here to crop, search for crop, throw it on the video. And then right now we make the right on 12 and the left on 12 like this. And we have that nice VHS stock footage that we can add to this video to make it better. So if I throw this right here, delete nothing, this is fine, but make it as long as the video. And then right now we need to crop it. So we do crop and then do also for the right on 12 and the left on 12. And then the last thing that we need to do is we go to opacity, blend mode, and then make this to screen. And that will remove all the black in the screen. And then right now, if you play this, we have this nice VHS effect in Premiere Pro. So this